Hello esteemed viewers, in our math class for today, we are going to find the solution to this Maths Olympiad mathematics question. It says if 3 to the power of x equal to 5 to the power of y is equal to 2 to 5, 1 over x plus 1 over y will be equal to what? If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to my channel, and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we upload new mathematics content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends too. Now let's start. To start with, we are going to simply simplify this expression and also this expression. Note that from the statement 3 to the power of x is equal to 225, and 5 to the power of y is also equal to 225. So from this expression, we can come to find out that 15 to the power of 2 will be equal to 225. So if we simplify this expression, we're going to have 3 to the power of x to be equal to 15 to the power of 2. To solve equations like this, we are going to take the log of both sides. And we either take the logarithm of both sides or the natural log of both sides. Now I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. The natural log of 3 to the power of x will be equal to the natural log of 15 to the power of 2. As the rule says, the power comes and multiply this other part, will multiply that expression. So we'll have x multiplied by the in of 3 according to the rule of indices. That will be a logarithm. That will be equal to 2 natural log of multiplied by natural log of 15. So the value of our x in this expression will be equal to 2 multiplied by the natural log of 15 divided by the natural log of 3. Now let's come to this other expression. To solve this other expression, we are also going to take the natural log of both sides. So 5 to the power of y will be equal to 15 to the power of 2. So the natural log of 5 to the power of y will be equal to the natural log of 15 to the power of 2. So this y will multiply the natural log, while this 2 multiply this natural log. We'll have our y multiplied by the natural log of 5 equal to 2 multiplied by the natural log of 15. So in this expression, our y will become 2 multiplied by the natural log of 15 divided by the natural log of 5. So we've gotten two expressions for our y and our x. From the expression above, we are asked to find the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y. So we're going to find the value of that expression. To find the value of that expression, we are going to simply substitute the value of, we're going to substitute the value of x and y. Remember, we are given that 1 over x plus 1 over y is exactly what we are asked to look for. So from that expression, we found out that our x is equal to 2 the natural log of 15 divided by the natural log of 3. So if x is equal to 2 the natural log of 15 and the natural log of 3, then the reciprocal of x will be equal to the natural log of 3 over divided by 2 times the natural log of 15. Same goes to y. the y value will now be equal to 2 multiplied by the natural log of 15 to divide uh, by the natural log of 5. The reciprocal 1 over y will be equal to the natural log of 5 divided by 2 times the natural log of 15. So when we substitute that into the equation, we'll come to see that that expression will now give us 1 divided by x plus 1 divided y will now give us the expression, will now give the expression natural log of 3 divided by 2 the natural log of 15 plus the natural log of 5 divide 2 times the natural log of 15. So having a natural denominator will have to what? Will have to simplify. The common multiple will be 2 multiplied by the natural log of 15. So simplifying, we'll have this to be the natural log of 3 plus the natural log of 5. And that will be the value of y over 1 over x plus 1 over y. According to the law of logarithm, the multiplication law of logarithm, when we have two values like this and this, all we simply need to do is to bring the two values together, and that will multiply. We'll have 3 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 times the natural log of 15. If we multiply that expression, we are going to have the natural log of 15 divide 2 multiplied by the natural log of 15. Now 15 is common in that expression, so the natural log of 15 cancels the natural log of 15 and we'll have remaining 1 over 2. So from that expression, we can simply say that therefore our 1 over x plus our 1 over y will give us the expression 1 over 2. This stands as a solution to that exponential equation that is given to us. Many thanks for watching this video, and do share this video with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simplified mathematics videos.